Welcome to Ample Blazer's video tutorial. We're going to show you how to change your default app settings using Windows 11. Now we're going to choose your browser as the example in this video. So just letting you know that Windows 11 is a little bit more detailed. You've got to change each file type for the app instead of just changing it holistically. So I'm going to show you how that's done. So you go into your search, type in default apps, okay, and then you go there. Now what you can do here, type in your browser. We're going to choose Google Chrome, and then you can see everything here is basically associated with Edge. So we're going to change the first one, switch, Chrome, okay, that one, okay, PDF, leave as Adobe, that one Chrome, .svg, make that Chrome, make that Chrome, so you can see they're just making it a little bit more difficult for you guys to switch your browser across, but all it is a little bit more time. You can switch it across. That's done. Do that one. IRC, we're going to leave that alone. If we go down, these are your other defaults. Now I don't use them, so we'll leave that. You can see all the HTML browser defaults. That's it. And then up the top you can go make Google Chrome your default browser. Set default. Tick the box, and when you open up a hyperlink via an email or something, it'll open up using your default browser, which is now Chrome. And that's how we change things. Thanks for watching.